Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on this Corsa 2008 model, and the spec is Corsa Breeze Ecotech. The engine size is 1.2, and the problem is that a couple of cylinders are misfiring, and we did the diagnostic, and the suspect came on the diagnostic results are the coil packs. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna change the coil pack, as well as we're gonna change the spark plugs on this Corsa. So just gonna crack on with it. So to start off with, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this cover off. So taking the cover off, okay. So normally it it, it clips in like this. It slides in like this. But on this model, the clips are broken. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this coil pack, change the spark plugs, and we're gonna put a new coil pack. So to start off with, what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this harness connector. We're just gonna press the clip and pull it towards me. There we go. So in order to remove the coil pack, we are using a T30 bit, 2 screws here to remove the coil pack. That's one of them. There we go. So just gonna pull the coil pack out. So while we are changing the coil pack, we thought we give the car a treat. So we're changing the spark plugs as well. There we go. Here comes the old coil pack. You can see how bad the condition is. Right, so we've taken the coil pack off. So now we're gonna use a 16mm special socket, specially designed for the spark plugs. So this has the built-in magnet as well. So just gonna remove the old spark plugs. That's the spark plug number 1. The condition is really bad. I would say it's been running with these spark plugs for over 50,000 miles. Just gonna remove the second one. Spark plug number 2, number 3. There we go, that's the spark plug number 3 taken off. There you go, number 4. So just gonna insert the new spark plugs. 1 there, 2, 3 and 4. So now I'm just gonna torque it up. So just gonna hand tighten to start off with, and then we're gonna torque it up. That's good enough. Again, hand tighten it to start off with. Third one. and the fourth one. There we go. So that's all 4 spark plugs nicely been fitted and torqued up. Here comes the new coil pack. We got this from our local auto part shop. So just gonna slide it in like this. Okay. There we go. 2 bolts to secure it. There we go. So that's the coil pack in place. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to connect this harness connector into the coil pack, and the last thing we're going to do is we're going to put the cover back on. There we go. There we go, friends. That's the new coil pack and the spark plugs nicely been fitted on this Vauxhall Corsa. I hope this video is going to help you sort out your problem with your car. Thank you very much for watching the video.